Morning students, how are you? Fine? Okay. Dear students, we have completed two chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Now, today we will start next chapter number 3, that is natural resources, vegetation and wildlife. First of all, I will tell you the topic of these chapters. We will cover these topic of this chapter: meaning of natural vegetation, then classification of forest, advantages of forests, meaning of wildlife, advantages of wildlife, meaning of national park and wildlife sanctuaries. Now we will start one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the meaning of natural vegetation. My dear student, in the beginning there was no life in water or on land. Gradually, life appeared in the ocean in the form of plants. So, what do you mean by the natural vegetation? The natural vegetation means the assemblage of plant species in an environment is known as natural vegetation. Assemblage of plant species in environment is known as natural vegetation. For example, forest, grasses, shrubs, etc. These are known as natural vegetation. Basically, natural vegetation refers to plant community which has grown naturally without human aid. Means those natural vegetation means they grow naturally without the help of human beings. They have been left undisturbed by human for a long time. If we are talking about the cultivated area or cultivated crops, if we are talking about the fruits, these all are known as vegetation. These all are cultivated crops, fruits are known as vegetation. But these two things are not known as natural vegetation, because cultivated crops and fruits are grown with the help of human beings. But if we are talking about the natural vegetation means those vegetation which grown naturally without the help of human beings. I hope you understood about the meaning of the natural vegetation. Now, we will discuss about the two factors which are required for the growth of plant. Two factors. First one is temperature and second one is rainfall. These two factors are very important for the growth of plant. As you know, if we are talking about the rainfall, if rainfall is very heavy, the forests are thick and dense. As the rainfall decreases, the size and concentration of trees also reduce. If we are talking about the temperature, if the cold temperature are there, in the cold region, the growing season is very short. That's why I am saying these two factors, temperature and rainfall, are the two factors which are required for the growth of plants. Today we will discuss about the meaning of natural vegetation and two factors, temperature and rainfall. I hope you understood about this topic. That's all for today. In the next topic, we will discuss about the classification of forests. Thank you and have a nice day.